The 2013 Chevrolet Impala LTZ. This vehicle, with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Chevrolet features power windows, power door locks, and alloy wheels. Safety features include side airbags and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include leather seats, satellite radio, and heated seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.